Hi there, it's Łukasz for the Tech Travel Geeks, and today I have a very interesting accessory for you, a flexible tablet holder from Lamicall. I've been using it for the last few weeks and, spoiler alert, I've been really enjoying it so far. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to see more videos from us. Before I talk more about it, let's see what we got in the package. The box is a bit larger than I expected and calls it a gooseneck holder, which is quite a nice name indeed. There's not much on the back, other than confirming that the manufacturer is back in Shenzhen, China. Oh, how I wish I could travel back there for some amazing dim sum. Inside, at first sight, it looks like someone sent me a bedside lamp, but the appearances might deceive you. We get the mandatory "please rate us on Amazon", but at least this one made me smile. Thanks Lamicall, I definitely will. There's also a leaflet with some other products and basic information about this one, including some installation steps. But enough of that, let's see the holder itself. We get three main parts: the part where you put your device, the one which attaches to your desk or similar, and the cable in between. The cable itself is quite stiff, which is good since you don't want it moving too much, but it's flexible enough to allow you to shape it in any way you want. The attachment can be extended to around 5 cm or 2 inches, which is the size of the back of my bed, where it extended to close to the maximum, so make sure to keep that in mind. The device holder can go as wide as 22 cm or 8.6 inches, and it easily fits my 10-inch diagonal tablet. The minimum size is around 12 cm or 4.7 inches tall, so you can fit in most phones, including my rather small Google Pixel 5. So, what can this be used for? I got it mostly for the Amazon Fire HD10 tablet, which Matteo unboxed back in October 2020 and which I got as well. I have two main uses for this hold so far. The first one is watching videos on my tablet while in bed. I installed it on the headrest and it fits really well, so I just need to extend the arm and can enjoy Netflix or Amazon Prime hands-free. I can also move it up to keep it at my eye level, or turn it to the side when I'm watching it with my partner. Once I'm done, I just take the tablet out and move the holder back up, and it can just stay there. One thing to note is that it might shake a bit if it's attached to your bed and you move, so keep that in mind. But it's not something that bothers me while watching though. The other usage is for the extra screen while at work. As you can see, I don't seem to have enough screens, but I want to have my calendar on at all times, so I can keep it just above my laptop while I'm working and just glance at what's next very easily. I can also keep my to-do list there. Those aren't the limits though, as you can use it to hold most tablets and phones wherever you want, for example in the kitchen, while playing the guitar, or when traveling, if you don't mind the extra weight, or waiting for travel to start again for that matter. One of my favorite features, however, might be the two pieces of string at the top and the bottom, which let you very easily open it up and remove the phone or tablet or put it in. It's really convenient and makes sure you don't accidentally touch your screen. So far, I've been really happy with this device and I can see a lot of uses for it. I might even end up getting another one, since moving it around takes a moment, as you have to readjust and fasten it a bit each time. If you are looking for a tablet holder, this might be a good one to consider. You can find an Amazon link in the description below. That's it for this video. Feel free to leave any comments below to find out more or send us any suggestions. Click on the video on the left for a recommended video from us, and make sure to subscribe to see more videos from us. But for now, thanks for watching,